channel. Yeah guys, I'm here guys. I'm sending you out these videos individually like this guys, quick and easy recipes when I'm doing them, because guys I'm busy with work, so I'm still trying to upload little videos. Alright guys, to keep you guys inspired. I love you guys. I miss you guys. I know you can't see my face right now because it's early in the morning and I get up and it's about, I think it's 4 o'clock by now. Anyway, so let me tell you what I'm doing. I'm doing a chicken vegetable pasta, which is vegetable chow mein. So let me take you through what the ingredients I'm putting in it guys. I already have my pasta chow mein boiling on the stove. What I'm going to put in it is what I have in my kitchen. So I cut up some cabbage here. I'm first going to put some garlic. I have some carrots I grated there because guys I'm too tired right now to cut them up the other way. This is ginger. And I have here, I have a bell pepper, green bell pepper cut up here, and I have onion. I have this half corn left back in the fridge. I'm gonna add that. Yeah guys, I think that's about it, and my seasonings and so forth guys. My pasta boiling, and this need to be off now, and you need to drain it, and of course your chicken. So let me get cooking. I'm gonna do some festival, and I'm gonna do this at the side. This can't be if I have in here guys. I'm gonna do this at the side to go with the festival guys. Let me show you how I do it. So for that. Alright guys, I'm sorry, I thought I was filming but I wasn't. I'm here doing some sweet and sour sauce for the chow mein guys. All I have in here is vinegar, ketchup, parsley, I had Maggi, water, and that's about it guys. The thing is with sweet and sour sauce guys, it's easy to make. All you have, the sweetness come from the sugar, the sourness come from the vinegar. So I'm gonna boil it until I get to my thickness of liking, and that's it. And taste it for flavor guys. The salt, black pepper, that's it. So easy, simple. And over here I'm finishing frying up the festival guys. So when I'm finished, I'm gonna come back and show you the end result guys. Everything, the corned beef is finished guys. I end up adding a little bit water to it just to thin it out a little bit. This is the sweet and sour sauce. Oh, the steam, and my chicken veg chow mein. Looking lovely guys. If you only could smell my house right now guys. Here are the festival guys. So wanna have a good lunch today and a good breakfast guys. This is dishes that we really like. So I hope you enjoy this content, and I hope you do try some of these recipes guys. I hope you're inspired to get up and get in your kitchen and also provide for your family. Alright guys, fix those meals. You don't know, we mama, this is our job anyway. So I enjoy doing it for my family, so I hope you too. So stay blessed and safe. Love you guys, and see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. So yes, you see me at least closer to the end of the video, but hi guys, hi. I'm at work guys. Yes, I'm pulling a double. Then when I leave from here tonight, when I leave from here tomorrow morning, I'm going to another location. So guys, I'm trying to pack as much as I can in these videos so that you guys can be inspired. Alright, so yes, I'm at work. Yeah guys, I can't make you see the face. Yes, so right now I am doing some golden apple guys. I came work this morning and my co-worker, the neighbor, got a golden apple tree, so she got a ton of golden apple for her and myself yesterday from him. So yes guys, I'm gonna turn the camera, well you know it's my phone, so I'm gonna switch the thing so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm just taking some of the golden apple to make some sorry guys, I have to keep doing this because I don't want you guys to see her, because I can't do that. Right, so I'm mixing some golden apple juice for her, so I'm going to show you how I mix my golden apple juice guys. So here we go guys, bear with me because I didn't want with my little mini selfie stick that I use as a tripod. I did not walk with it because I didn't think I would be filming. So I'm going to try to put the phone as best as I can so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, so enjoy guys. So here is the bag of golden apple guys, a whole big bag of golden apple. So I took out some out of there. I have some in here already cutting up, and I have a few more in here guys, washing and cutting up. So I'm just gonna let you watch me what I'm doing. Alright, I can do. Alright then, yes babe, you can do too. Yes, you surely can. Alright guys, so I'm washing them very good, and all I'm doing is just peeling the little stem they off like so, and you just go in and chip it up like this guys. I'm coming a little close so you can see what I'm doing. This is the golden apple. Just cut into it like that and take out all the meat and the skin. You're not throwing away anything guys. All you're throwing away is the little stem at the end, and that's it. man. Yes, man. I hear mixing the juice for you. Yes. Uh-huh. Well, look up there, what I see? Oh, I see you artwork up there. So beautiful. Yes, man. Look at you artwork up there. Yes. Lovely, guys. Guys, she showed me she artwork up there. She was an art teacher. So all these handworks is her art, guys. So she's showing me. That's the picture that is up there. That looks like a hand, guys. Yes. That's what she's showing me. Yeah. That is what they do. Oh, I see. Oh, strong hands. Yes, man, beautiful. Yes, yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, you was. Yes, you are a sweet teacher. Yes, you are. Yeah, academy is yours. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes, guys, golden apple juice here.